up some of our new 30th anniversary tickets. Now remember, this gold ticket could still be your path to the weekly show, but there is so much more packed into it. Reveal the 30th anniversary symbol, and you can enter to be on our 30th anniversary special that's airing later this year. And the grand prize for that? $300,000. Yes, more details on that soon, but right now, cheer on tonight's contestants. It's Joanne from Columbus, Lisa from Brecksville, Becky from Goshen, and Laura from Cleveland. If tonight's players find the bonus prize square, they're taking home the Dell Latitude laptop and tablet. The 2-in-1 laptop features a dual-core processor and an HD touchscreen that allows you to swipe and draw right on the screen. It weighs 2 pounds, so it's super portable and perfect for all your personal and professional needs. All right, ladies. This crowd up here is waiting for some bonuses and doubles to fly off that board. And Joanne, are you ready to start that happening?
I sure am.
Well, get your hand ready, because we're going to fire up the big board right now. There you go. You are in the E column.
C.
The C. A double to start off. She follows directions. Here goes explosion. You're going to hit that button again. And for your first turn, we're going to double what's behind the eye. You, on your first turn, just got $7,000. Congratulations, Lisa. Fun money time. It's the I column for you.
The H.
The H. $2,500. Becky, first turn around the board. And it's the N column.
A.
The A. A double for you. You guys are not messing around. Get ready to hit your button there, Becky. And now we're doubling what's behind the X. Gotta love it. Turned it right into $4,800. Laura, they make it look easy, and it actually is. Just hit the button and win the money. I column.
C.
The
C.
C. $3,000 for you. Congratulations to all of you. That was a swell turn. Lisa, we're going to start off with you for our second turn. Having fun, aren't you?
Yes.
Hitting the bunny, winning. I know, yes. Well, you don't even have to wait, because you're going to get to hit your button again right now. And it's the L column this time.
The S.
The S. $10,000 in bonus bucks. Wow. I asked you guys to find bonuses and doubles, and you are not messing around. Okay, we just added $10,000 in bonus bucks, but there's also money behind there that goes in your game total, which is another $2,100. Now, Becky, we are just a little way into 2017. Some of us are just starting to thinking we're going to start over now, but you started over a while ago, because this used to be you, right?
Yes, 4
Tell
years
everybody about that.
4 years ago, I weighed 530 pounds.
No way.
Yes.
And this is actually you at that weight.
Yes.
And on your own, did you do this? You had
procedure.
procedure.
But I'm here to finish my weight loss journey.
And so how is this going to help you out if you're what you win here on Cash Explosion tonight?
I need to have some skin removal.
Absolutely
Yes.
awesome. So if you're sitting out there, look at this. You can do this. She's done it already. Congratulations. That is a huge, huge thing. And right now, we're going to see just how you do in this second turn. And you're in the N column.
S.
The S. $2,000. Laura,
Yes.
you ready to see how your second turn goes?
Yes.
She's staring right at the board. And you're in the O column, Laura.
Then have S.
The S. It's a double for you. My goodness, we are wiping them off the board. Get ready to hit that button. You know what we're going to do now. Of course, we're going to double what's behind that P. So we just put another $5,200 in your total, giving you the lead right now. Joanne, we're coming back over to you to wrap up this second turn for us, actually. You were in the service, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And which service was that?
The British Army.
The British Army. Pretty cool. In which tour? In World War II, is that
Yes,
right?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, well, thank you very much. And what are you going to do with your money then?
Spend it and go back home.
Spend it and go back home. All right, Joanne. Well, let's see how you do on this second turn. And that gives you the E column.
S.
The S. $2,400. Everybody's winning, and that's really the deal. You cannot lose in the Cash Explosion Studios. Goes Lisa right here. She is in fourth place, but she's already won $4,600 and another $10,000 in bonus bucks. So she's going to get the first chance at that big board right after this break. Cash Explosion. These ladies are burning up the board in here. Lisa, we're going to go into our third turn here. Now, this is where our game-changing doubles can make a little difference. So it's your turn at the board right now. And you're in the O column.
H.
The H. $3,000. Becky, let's see how you're going to end our game. X column.
C.
The C. $3,400 for you, Laura. Let's see what you can find. There's still a lot of stuff up on the board. And it's the P column this time.
Let me have the H.
The H. $3,500. Joanne, you're going to do it. This is the last turn. You ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Go get the money, Joanne. Go get it. There you go, the O column. And you've got a possible game changer in there. Now, all you have to do is pick one of those and hope that it's one of those game-changing doubles. C-A-S or H? You're going to go with the A. The A. Oh! That was a good choice. So now we get to double whatever you find up there behind Explosion. Hit that button again, Joanne. We're doubling what's behind the N, which is going to be $2,800, $5,600. Joanne, are you an excitable person?
Not really.
Too bad, because you just won our game! You're going to the Cash Challenge! Surprise! Congratulations, Joanne. I knew we'd get a bigger smile out of her. You won our game with $15,000. These guys and I want to double it. So we're going to turn that into $30,000 and a trip to the Cash Challenge.
Thank you.
Okay, that is not a bad payday for a couple of button pushes, is it? Your payday could be that awesome. All you need is that one lucky Cash Explosion ticket. Get out there and get your tickets this week, Ohio. Join us in Columbus for a taping of the Cash Explosion show.
We had a blast and we liked dancing to all the songs.
Everything was really hyped and everyone was super excited to be here and everyone was cheering for everybody.
You could win prizes, play games, and you'll get to be on TV. Put it on your list of things to do in 2017. Log on to CashExplosionShow.com to reserve your seats.
Ohio, you got to get on this show.
Who else is here to get paid? Abe from Bedford Heights, Chris from Hilliard, Judy from Massillon, and finally Ellen from Parma. This is where the fun starts. Now, you watched those players in the first game. I mean, they got doubles, they got bonuses, they were having a good time, right?
Yes.
No pressure, but you guys need to do the same thing as we filled the board back up. We're ready to go. Are you ready to go, Abe?
I'm ready.
Good, because you're going first right now to grab that cash. You're in the O column.
The H.
The H. Okay, you took me to heart, found a bonus right off the bat. $10,000 in bonus bucks. Of course, we're going to give you what's behind there. $4,000. You are a lucky bunch of folks. Chris, first trip around the board. And it's the O column.
The A.
The A. $2,000 for you. Judy.
Yes.
Yes, it's your turn. No more waiting.
Okay.
And it's the E column.
S.
The S. $2,200. Ellen, you're wrapping up the first turn. And it is the L column.
The C.
The C. $2,800 for you. Just like that, first turn is over. Everybody's off to a good start. Now, I have to say right now, Abe's got the best start with that $4,000 bound there, but whole lot of game to go. So you come back and we're going to see what happens together. Welcome back to Cash Explosion. We're starting our second turn with Chris, who right now has $2,000. You have a major cheering section right back
I
here.
do.
There all says the Cove on there. Who are these folks?
Those are my stylist friends and spa friends.
From your salon, is that right?
The Spa Cove Wellness Spa.
Are you ready for your second
Yes,
turn?
I am.
Well, they're ready for your second turn. They're cheering you on. And it's the X column this time.
C.
The C. Way to go, Chris, a double. Well, there goes the explosion. We cycle it around and we're doubling the amount behind that X. There you go. $4,400 went in there. Now, Judy, we want our watchers and our players to be really enthusiastic, but sometimes when there's a first-time ticket winner on there, what have you been known to do?
Throw things.
She throws things. You threw a shoe at your television?
Well, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I'm just going to point this out. That may backfire, because then you can't watch Cash Explosion if you break your TV, Judy.
No, I got more than one.
Oh, you have more than one. Okay, you're covered. Well, let's just see if we can't win you some money so you don't have to keep blowing those shoes anymore. It's the O column.
A.
The A. $3,000. Very nice. Ellen?
Yes.
I know you're having fun because you're not even looking at me. You're looking straight at the board. She wants to find those big bucks. And it's the S column.
The S.
The S. $3,200. Way to go on that turn. Abe,
Yeah.
you danced into the studio tonight. You are just, it was awesome. It was really awesome. And it's time to get more money. Are you ready for that?
I'm ready.
All right. And it is the O column.
Give me the C.
The C. $2,500 going in there. So, okay, that now brings us to our third turn, which we know as the game changer turn. That's where a lot of things can happen. If you were behind before, you may not be behind anymore. We're going to come over here to Judy. We're getting ready to start that turn. Ooh. No, you got to go, ooh. There we go. That's the attitude we want. Get ready. Look for those doubles. Maybe it'll help make a difference. And it's the S column. See? You got to think positive. There's at least one game changer in there, Judy.
H.
The H. $2,100. Ellen, here you go. N column. Getting some advice.
The H.
The H. $2,000 goes into your total. We have got 2 turns left. We have 5 game-changing doubles. We still have bonus bucks. We are just about to wrap it up. See who's going to Cash Challenge. Come back. We'll find out. Want instant gratification? There's nothing like a good scratch. Check out these newest Ohio Lottery instant games. Hit 500. Max the Money. 777. And Road to Riches. See an Ohio Lottery retailer to pick them up and get your scratch on, Ohio. fun it is to be here, but it really is fun to be here. You hit the button, you win the money. It's really sweet.
That's right.
That's right. And it's really sweet right now because you get even another turn. Abe, you are in the X column. Cross your fingers.
Give me the A.
The A. $10,000 in bonus bucks. That is sweet, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Yes. All right. Well, of course, that's not going to help your game total, but we're going to see what is going to help it. Another $1,500. Chris, feel it, hit the button, and win it. There you go. And it's the L column for you.
The H.
The H. $2,300. I gotta say something. I think it makes a difference to have a cheering section because, Chris, you are going to the cash challenge. Yeah! Let's go right there. Surprise look on your face. That's hysterical. You won that game with $8,700. But of course, we're big on doubling stuff around here. Thumbs up on that. Yep, now you are going to the cash challenge for $17,400. Woohoo! You know what? All kinds of dreams can come true with money like that for any of them. But we've got the biggest payoff of a Cash Explosion ticket coming up right after this, because that's the cash challenge.
I just won. It's amazing. $17,400. Buy a ticket. It's worth the scratch off. $2 can win you a ton of money.
Coming your way live from the Ohio Lottery's Cleveland studios, it's time for tonight's winning numbers and winners of a spot on the March 25th Cash Explosion Show. Good luck, players. Welcome back to Cash Explosion's Columbus Studios, and welcome to tonight's Cash Challenge. So as soon as one of your names is revealed 3 times in this game, we are going to have our champion. You're very familiar with that, Rick, yes?
Yes.
So as our defending champion, you are going to choose first. Which number you want to start with?
Number 7.
Number 7. And it is Chris. Joanne, your first choice.
6.
Number 6. It is Joanne. And wrap up our first turn here, Chris.
Number 1.
Number 1 for Chris. It is Chris. You've been here before. You know you have to avoid Chris's name. Which number?
Number 12.
He thinks it's behind number 12. He's going to stay safe. He did! $10,000. Just added another $10,000. We have 2 more of those kind of squares up there with bonus bucks. Joanne? Cool. Number 4 for Joanne. And it is Rick's name. Chris, if you find your name, it is worth $50,000.
Number 10.
Number 10. We're all going to find out together what's behind number 10. It's Joanne. Things are getting a little more heated now. Fewer numbers left. You want to keep this spot, don't you?
I kind of like it here.
You kind of like it.
Yeah.
So where do you think your name is?
Number 11.
Rick says number 11. And let's see what is behind number 11. It's Joanne! Joanne brings up Columbus as tonight's champion. $50,000 prize, gonna go home with her. And of course, she's gonna keep playing for more Cash Explosion cash. My goodness. Congratulations. Hope you enjoy that money that you won.
Wonderful.
You're so welcome. We're glad you had a good time. You're welcome. And were you surprised?
Very much.
Very much surprised. Well, congratulations. You know what? You got to come back here next week because David is going to be having all this cash explosion fun with you next Saturday. Have a great night. Good night, Ohio. Tonight's winners are taking home a cash total of $160,200. So will 2017 be the year that you get a piece of the cash explosion winnings? You know what you got to do. Scratch, watch, and win.